Keanggap na. Ready? Recorded?
Sending melody for my energy as my enemies wanted that to me. I will never see how to go.
Hi, my name is August Phawa and I'm from Shillong, Meghalaya, India. And I'm representing Team Ground Root since we have sponsors. I'm currently not sponsored by any of these brands that I'm gonna mention. Yeah, let's start off with my, this is my bike check. This is my bike check. Starting off my bike setup, starting off with my bars. I'm running these Sunday bars with animal grips, Odyssey balance, Sunday stamp, Salt Plus headset, fork. I'm running off Philpico Blade V2 forks, and my whole wheel is of Merit non-stop hub, Merit pedal rims, Merit spokes. Oh no, it's not fully Merit. Is this cap looking goofy? Just speedball tires, S&M speedball tires with Odyssey tubes, S&M symbol hub guards, animal packs. The frame I'm using is PSD Passenger 2017 frame with Merit metal cranks, sprocket of Salt Plus wall-up chain, Salt Plus seat. They are good to set on, pivotal, where you can adjust it. And United Bike seat post, Merit pedals. I'm using a free coaster, Merit. Forget. I'm running Merit free coaster. I guess that's it. So the parts are not made in India. All of them are imported. My bike is solid as fuck. Hope you like it. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Us on Instagram, Team Ground Root, @August Phawa.